Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set your iPhone to low power mode to conserve your iPhone's battery. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and let's get started. So if you have an iPhone, you may notice that it basically lasts for about a day in normal use because the battery will run out. In order to shut down the battery a little bit so it's not completely off but it uses less power, do this. Go to Settings, find the Settings, open that up, and then scroll down to battery. Tap battery. You'll see a toggle that says low power mode. Tap that. And I've found, and you'll see in the top right corner that the battery icon goes from green to yellow, and that will really slow down the processes taking place in the background and will help your battery last a lot longer. Like in my simple test, it probably extends the battery's life by about 6 hours on a normal day, which is really, really good. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, check out our guides at in30minutes.com or follow me on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video helped, if you could like it, I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.